How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. I got a special guest here today. No, it's not Simone. It's my boy Hero. Hero, come here. What's up, Hero? Yeah, it's not my dog, but it's my brother Danny, right? Nani's dog. I'm just watching him for the day. What's up, bro? Say what's up. What's up? He's all excited. The reason I got the light going on here because he knows that once I pop this garage open, he wants to go and roam around my backyard. So that's why I have the light going on, and dude's like anxiously waiting to go outside. We just came from outside, man. But yeah, let me just tell you guys real quick. My brother and I and Mr. Flamingo, we went out to do some bass fishing. It was good. It was wet. Like, we basically went out fishing for some pre-spawn, largemouth bass. He's still in the back running around. There's some lipless crankbait, swim jigs, chatterbait, you know, pre-spawn lures that I am very confident in. So in this video, like, I didn't do much talking because we went out for his bachelor party, but he just wanted to fish. So that's what we ended up doing. Sorry, he's very distracted. Look at him. All right, Hero. Come on, man. Come on. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys midway through. I'm going to show you guys the setup and enjoy.
You, man. Too high, you get caught. There's some like really thick stuff back there. There's a tree right there, yeah. You pull me right into that tree.
Oh, I see it.
Jeez, bro.
What happened?
I got one. Got one. Right,
got one.
Jeez. Got one. Big bass. Wait, get the bass. Big bass. Big bass. I told you, bro. He came out nowhere. Get him. Oh, yeah. Oh, big up here. Oh, my gosh. Whoa, dude.
3, 4?
Just right where we were messing with.
Nice. Man, that's tight.
Oh my gosh, guys, 12 minutes in, dude.
Nice.
Look at that thing. Let's
Nice,
go,
dude.
dude. I was still messing with Danny with that tree over there and crushed it right by the boat, bro.
I was snagged.
Yeah, right by the boat, dude.
That's nice.
Oh my gosh, dude. That is a massive fish. But you see the head on that thing?
Yeah,
Oh,
that thing's nice.
Still pretty small.
Yeah,
We
it's still
when
skinny.
she has some
Yeah.
eggs.
But can you imagine her being full of eggs? We were just messing around, dude. Because I was still talking to Dana about that tree. I'm like, oh yeah, dude, my snake there. Now I was like, oh shit, I'm my snake there. So I just walked it back and boom!
Yeah, that's my height of the tree then.
I have no idea. Oh, Danny exposed it. David, remember David Blaine walked on water? Yeah.
Right.
That's so stupid, bro. Yeah, that's just bad.
Hey man, people believe it. Just like when he took off in the sky.
Yep. Oh yeah.
That's a hot air balloon.
Whoa, you got him! You got him! Go! I saw you right there. Big. Tip up! Don't let him dig you. Tip up.
Oh yeah.
Right over here.
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Yeah! No stick, no 3-pounder, bro.
Nice.
Yeah. Still 3, yeah. Look how thick.
Picked up right away, bro.
Ben, your turn.
Yep.
Baby.
High five.
High five.
Thank you for the net, bro. Thank you for going to the camera first.
Let's go, bachelor fish.
Yep, that's for fish. Nice.
Man, your turn.
Yeah, look at yours though, dude.
Yeah,
Compared to
look
yours.
yeah. Oh, they're good. Got one? He's on! He's on! Get the net! Get the net!
No, you never know, man.
That's small guy.
Hey! Oh, it's still,
Hey, no, it's still good.
man.
Right take up.
Oh, it's still good. Go, Nano! Oh!
Oh, that's a good one, bro. Big old head.
We're all 3
Oh,
on.
there we go. Thank you, sir. Oh. I'm so scared.
Ah, you got sharp teeth. Hold it up to the camera.
Hey.
Okay, guys.
I got
Mr.
one.
Oh, look,
Flamingo.
Mr. Flamingo's on board.
Nice. Like 2 pounds.
I'm telling you. You see how they're a lot heavier?
Yeah.
I create the temperature. Yes.
You like flipping, but it's like, you know, it's all moving bait.
Yeah.
Got him. Oh. It's little guy.
Oh, yeah, you got it.
Go, set him, huh?
You're flipping over here, dude.
Yeah, ganun yun. Yeah.
Just 1 to 2.
Oh, right for the camera. Let's go.
Yeah, the color's so nice though, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Stupid spot. No.
Oh.
What about you?
You're never gonna get your jacket.
I know, man.
Oh, no, fish. Right there. I got it. 20 minutes.
Yep.
Oh, you got it. There you go.
How dare you catch a fish in my neck of the woods?
Oh, no. Oh, what's the fight?
Oh, the fight? Oh, that's all you, man. Yeah, man. You got it.
Just grab this.
Sorry, man. I'll probably do the same too.
There you go.
Alright, so we are midway through the video now, and I want to just stop and talk to you guys what I was using. My setup here was the Okuma Hakai with the Okuma Cycle Stick, okay? This is the 7.2 medium. You see that? Maybe not, it might be focusing on my face, but this is the rod that I was using for that lipless crankbait, which I'll show you guys here. It is a little heavier and a little bigger, but it's what I like using. This is Raid lipless. These things are awesome, absolutely gorgeous bait. It's good for pre-spawn and post-spawn bites for bass. Pike love it too, but you know what? If you ain't losing it, you ain't using it. You know what I mean? So it's a great bait. It's a gill color, right? Kind of like a see-through color. It's awesome. I love using this thing searching for big bass. So that's the lipless right here. I was throwing it on my cycle stick. I showed you guys that earlier. This is the Okuma Hakai 7.3, okay, with a Okuma cycle stick 7.2. So 7.3 gear ratio with a 7.2 medium action rod. It has more backbone than my other 7.2 rod. Right now I got a bowl weight and like a hook on there because I will be throwing more like dragon bait. It works good for, I like using it for lipless too. It's just easier to control. It has a lot of backbone. I can launch this bait a mile with it with 15-pound tests, right? Floral, throwing chatterbait, swim jig, jig itself, boulder weight creature baits, lipless, crankbait, square bills, whatever else, stuff like that. It's very universal. You throw top water in it too. That's just me. I like it. It does everything that I need it to do for catching bass. Let's get right back into the video. There is a big bass coming, so stay tuned.
Oh, got him. He's running really fast, yep. Running really fast. Oh, it broke me off.
Broke off, man. That's the second string, and he had the full
That's
furrow.
the lipless.
Oh.
Big bass, dude. Damn, bro. Oh, God.
So he's open.
You know what I mean?
Right, yeah.
I tied him up and hanged him like a...
Yeah, that looked
Ring is
super like
scale. Yeah, well,
He's
just
tied it like
yeah,
this.
just put the sleeve. Yeah, put the sleeve, just stick it in.
He made sure it went in there though, that's why.
Got him. Yep.
Nice.
Nice.
Hey,
No.
Nice, good fish. You to your left.
Left.
Go.
Go ahead. Stay right there, Tim. Come right at
What's the big one?
Big.
That's a big one, dude. Dude, that's a big one. Bro. Big.
Oh my lipless, dude. Go wild, Danny. Go left. Danny on the crank that I was telling you about.
Yeah.
Dude.
Dude.
I'm shaking. I can't do it. Oh my god.
You have to go to sleep. Screw me.
Oh my
Dude.
God. Look how big it is.
That's big, dude. You should weigh it.
Woo. That was crazy, yo. Catch and release. Let's go.
Jeez, Timmy.
Alright guys, big fish going back. Big uns. Yep. Look how big that one is. Woohoo!